Hi there, really excited to unbox this HOHEM iSteady V2 AI smartphone gimbal. This item was sent to me for review purposes and all opinions are my own, but I've never owned a gimbal, so I'm really excited to see what's inside. Really loving the sleek box design and these colorful gradient accents on the sides. The open space also makes for an easy access point for getting the plastic off, especially if you're opening the box up one-handed. So let's go ahead and see what comes inside. Looks like we've got an easy-to-read 4-step quick start guide. Download the app, unfold the gimbal, boot up, connect Bluetooth, and activate. Also included is a multilingual instruction manual and a storage pouch along with a hand strap which you can connect to the bottom of the gimbal using the lanyard hole. Now let's take a look at the gimbal. This is really lightweight but also looks to be high quality and is easy to grip in my hand. It provides 3-axis stabilization and weighs just 0.58 pounds. The lightweight foldable design is going to make this easy to take with me anywhere. Out of the box, this gimbal has stickers that coincide with the instructions on the quick start guide. And the bottom has a 1/4-inch screw port to connect the included tripod stand so you can put the gimbal down on any flat, sturdy surface. This tripod attachment is a compact, easy-to-open and close accessory which complements the gimbal's sleek design, making any vlogger, content creator, or live streamer look tech-savvy while taking the video look up a notch. In the box, we also have a Type-C USB charging cable. Now to do some quick testing. So here I am trying to test out the gimbal with a Samsung Note inside a protective case, and it seems just a touch heavy, but still somewhat usable for grabbing smoother footage, though I would recommend taking the case off if you have a large-bodied phone. Here's an example of how much smoother your footage can look using this gimbal. Once you've downloaded the app to your phone, you can explore the AI features such as gesture control and one-tap templates such as panorama, inception, time-lapse, and dolly zoom. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the HOHEM iSteady V2 AI smartphone gimbal.